Hello guys, today we are going to make awkward faces and noises. And
She doesn't like
the first part is going to be face. Well, no, it's actually going to be noise.
Well, take the squeaker out. She doesn't like it. Give it to me.
No, don't do that. No. My name is Zoe.
Maya, go get it. Go get it. Don't chase her. She'll go by herself.
Hey, girl.
Maya, get the ball. Maya, get the ball.
Now it's time for
Everybody out?
faces.
Yeah, unplug my phone and bring it here, please.
Where is it?
Charging up.
Yes, I know it's charging.
She got it.
Where we always charge him. Hey, put it down, Maya. Put it down.
Put it down.
Oh, good girl.
Get it.
Okay, Maya, go get the ball. Go get the ball. It's okay. She'll throw it out there. Throw it out there.
Go get the ball.
Don't chase her. She'll come bring it to you. She'll bring it to you. Drop the ball. Drop the ball. Get it. There she goes.
Get there.
Okay,
To close the video, please subscribe and like the video if you like the video.
Uh-oh.
Thank you very, very much.